Welcome to Cooking with Teacher Victor. Today, we are going to prepare
sexy chicken.
Kai Pad Gratiam. Ingredients. For this recipe, we will need a cup and a half of rice, a chicken breast, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of white pepper, 8 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some sunflower oil. We will also need a tablespoon and a teaspoon, a spatula, a rice cooker, a big knife and a small knife, a strainer, a small bowl and a large bowl, a measuring cup, a frying pan, and a chopping board. First, add a cup and a half of rice to the bowl of the rice cooker. Wash the rice until the water is clear. Then, strain the rice and add 3 cups of water. Cover the bowl with its lid, plug in the rice cooker, and turn it on. Then, cut the chicken breast into thin slices. Add them to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of white pepper, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it all together and set it aside. Take a head of garlic and separate 8 cloves. Peel the cloves and chop them. Separate the cilantro stems from the leaves. Chop the cilantro stems. Add the garlic to a frying pan and pour oil over the garlic until it is completely covered. Turn on the stove. Set it to medium power and fry the garlic until it turns golden brown. Then, strain it and save the oil in a bowl. Pour a tablespoon of the oil over the chicken and stir it. Set the stove to full power, pour the oil into the frying pan, and add the chicken. Add a tablespoon and a half of sugar and stir the mix. Add a cup of water and keep stirring until the chicken is completely cooked. Then, turn off the stove, add the garlic and the cilantro stems. Mix everything together. When the rice is ready, unplug the rice cooker and take out the bowl. Divide the rice between 2 bowls and top with the chicken. Stir everything together and enjoy.